Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to open your Audi A4 fuel cap. First, ensure your vehicle is safely parked and the engine is completely off. The fuel flap is conveniently located on the passenger side, towards the rear of your Audi A4. Most models feature an electronic release button inside the cabin, which is your primary method for opening the flap. We will explore its exact location next. Now, let's find that internal release. In most Audi A4 models, you'll find a small button with a fuel pump icon. This is typically situated on the driver's door panel, near the window controls, or sometimes on the lower dashboard to the left of the steering wheel. Give it a firm press, and you should hear a soft click as the fuel flap unlatches, ready for you to open it from the outside. What if the electronic button doesn't work? Don't worry, there's a manual override. Head to your trunk and look for an access panel or a small opening on the side where the fuel flap is located. Behind this panel, you'll find a small cord or lever, often colored for visibility. Gently pull this cord or lever, and it will manually release the fuel flap, allowing you to open it from the exterior. With the flap released, gently push it open. You'll then see the fuel cap. Turn the cap counterclockwise to unscrew and remove it. After you've finished refueling, replace the cap by turning it clockwise until you hear several clicks, ensuring a tight seal. Finally, push the fuel flap firmly shut until it latches securely. You're all set to continue your journey with a full tank.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.